Alright everybody, welcome back. So, you guys probably got some of this out in your gardens or whatever. Nice ripe tomato. Beautiful basil that Jen just cut off the plant. I mean, it's just beautiful. Anyway, we got some balsamic vinegar. We got a quarter of a cup of apple juice. Excuse me, I said apple, I meant orange juice. And then we got some honey. So we're going to add all this to a half cup of balsamic vinegar, and we're going to make a balsamic glaze to go on Caprese salad. So we're going to produce Caprese salad right now. Stay tuned. So basically what we're going to do to start this out is, actually we got our half cup of balsamic, quarter cup of orange juice, not apple, orange, I know I said the wrong thing. Then we're going to add some honey to this. Get 2 tablespoons. That'll probably do it. Then we're going to take this to the oven and we'll go from there. Alright everybody, this oven's stovetop's way smarter than me, so I guess all 3 layers you can put some heat on. So I got it working here. What we're going to do here is we're going to reduce this down to where we got a syrupy consistency, so it'll be like your balsamic glazes that you've had in restaurants or around. So that's what we're gonna do now. That's what we're up to. Okay, well that's going. We're gonna get to work on some of our other stuff. We need to take care of this tomato. We've already washed it. Get the stem out of there. Yeah, we'll take care of that first. We're a split layer right there, so there. And then we'll just cut into slices, decent slices, because if you want it to stand up to that balsamic. This one will probably just. So we'll have three slices. Beautiful. It's gonna be delish. And obviously, we got this beautiful, beautiful basil that we grew, so I'm going to pick some of those off. And pick your good ones. I mean, big ones, small ones, whatever you like. So we want a few of those. And we'll come back and we'll build this here shortly as soon as our balsamic has done its magic. Alright, good to have you back. Well, we got fresh mozzarella. Look at that. Oh, it's going to focus on it. There we go. Anyway, that's going to go well with these tomatoes, well with this basil, and well with that sauce that we got rolling over there. So, let's cut that into some slices also. Alright, so we got that. So now we'll start building the caprese. Obviously we still need the sauce, but we can still do building of it. So let's start out with, let's use this one. Get our slice of mozzarella. And through that I want to add a couple basil leaves. A slice of that beautiful homegrown tomato. A couple more. Then another slice of mozzarella. And we'll turn this around like that. And we will tuck the other Let's roll it back in there with the basil leaf there. Stems out there, you don't really want that. Grab another. And we'll give that a little bit of, the tomatoes, garden tomatoes always need a little salt, so just give it that. A little bit of salt. A little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And always, I'm going to give it a little now, then I'll give it a little bit more, but a little bit of olive oil on it now. And when we dress with our balsamic, give it a smidge more. But that's where we stand right now. And we'll get back to this as soon as the balsamic's done. It's getting close. So our balsamic's going away. It is just a boiling away like there's no tomorrow. And it won't be long here, and we can finish our Caprese salad. I'll bring you back when I feel that it's the right consistency. It really got to go down a lot. You know, it looks like it's still going and going and going, but it really needs that. So I'll bring you back when I think it's pretty close. Alright guys, we're really close here. As you can see, the bubbles are getting bigger, which means we've reduced a lot of liquid out of this. So I would say, I don't know, it's pretty close. Probably gonna give it another minute, but you can tell by the way it grabs the. Sorry, I'm reading for the. You can see nappe here. That's the first thing, nappe, where it pulls away from the bottom of the pan. So probably gonna call that good. And we'll be back. We'll have Jen taste test this, and I got to do a few more things to make it even more pretty. But we're gonna probably call that good here in about 15-30 seconds. What I wanted to do in the meantime is just about there. I just wanted to show you some chiffonata basil, which we will add on to the top of our delicious caprese with the balsamic reduction. It's really easy, and I just wanted to show everybody that. I don't know if you hear a big word like chiffonade and everybody's all scared about it. It's really not that scary. So what I'm doing is I'm collecting leaves. Delicious, beautiful basil leaves, and we're going to chiffonade those, and all that really needs is we're cutting them into little strips. So you don't want no stems or nothing on the bottom of your leaves, or just get your pure leaves. Like I said, like where I pulled this off right here. Leave the stem. Just get your whole leaf. And that's probably enough for this salad for Jen. And then what you do is you take these leaves and you put them on top of each other. If any of you guys watch cooking shows, you know what I'm doing here. Boom. So you got a little stack of basil leaves, and then we roll these suckers up, I guess like you would a cigar or whatever, I don't know, or a smoker or whatever. So, and then you try to get paper thin, or not paper thin, but chiffonade style. So chiffonade is going to be something, I don't know, here let me get a couple more. Something more like that. I don't know if you can see it, nice and thin, but anyway, you got a chiffonade, and then you got all these pretty little things of basil. I did get through some of those right there, but obviously the thing you want to do with herbs is don't work them too much because they will bruise. Nice sharp knife. But we'll dress this salad next. Alright, so we're going to finish this caprese up here. Delicious. We're going to have Jen taste test it because this is right up her alley. So here we go, and we got our reduction here, our solvent reduction. Good to go. So drizzle. You don't want to overdo this. You get too much of this, it just kills this. So I'd say that's about enough. We'll put a little, just in case you want to pull some off the side or something like this. So that's what we're looking at right now. Then we'll pull some of our chiffon on. And we'll spread it all over the dish like this. We use it all because that fresh basil in there really adds a pop to everything. And then a little bit more of the olive oil that we used. And use extra virgin on this. Don't be using that cheap crap on this. You gotta use the real thing. I mean, you can use the cheap crap. It's just gonna taste better if you don't. It always, or not as always, but I'm gonna finish with just a little bit of kosher salt. Because those tomatoes love kosher salt. Jennifer! Your Caprese's ready. Yeah, we're gonna have Jennifer taste this, and she will tell you what she thinks. So,
all right.
There it is.
It looks great, Corey. Can I rearrange it a little bit?
Yeah, do what you need to do.
I like to have a little bit of the cheese on top. Into it. Basil leaf, a little tomato, a little cheese, nice little bite there.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Is it approved?
I love it.
You go in for another bite?
Absolutely. More than one more. Thank you. Oh, more basil. Okay, I think that's enough.
You sure you got enough basil in there?
Yeah, I think that's good now.
I think it needs some more. At least 2 more leaves.
All right, small ones.